Hello, my name is Mark McMurray, and this is my lovely wife, Rhonda, and we'd like to welcome you to the Reserve at Hot Springs. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Caitlin McMurray, Managing Director of the Reserve at Hot Springs. The Reserve at Hot Springs, a new luxury boutique hotel in Hot Springs, Arkansas, offering a contemporary take on elevated Southern hospitality traditions. Our property sits on 4 acres of bucolic land and features the iconic W.C. Brown House, a former private mansion and National Heritage Landmark, which has fully been restored to its Gilded Age glory as the centerpiece of the Reserve. There are 6 luxury accommodations within the main Brown House, each of which pays homage to the area and rich history of the destination with names like the Arlington Room. Each lavish guest bathroom is outfitted with Carrara marble floors and wainscoting marble subway tiles, brass hardware, elegant rain showers, and antique reproduction light fixtures. A main highlight of the guest experience at the Reserve is the complimentary breakfast included in the nightly room rate. We offer 3 seatings each morning at 8, 9, and 10 a.m. Each includes a 2-course gourmet breakfast prepared by our executive chef. The Reserve can accommodate weddings, corporate events, private events, and so much more. If you're looking for a luxury experience in Hot Springs, Arkansas, look no further than the Reserve at Hot Springs. Visit us online at thereserveathotsprings.com.